Well, in the biotechnology department, we have three basic sections where we deal with plant genetic resources, the plant genetic resource section, the plant DNA section, and the plant tissue culture section. Mainly we focus on the plant tissue culture section. The DNA section is soon to be opened, and the plant genetic resource material is out in the fields. In the plant tissue culture section, what we do is to propagate plant material for farmers and other researchers at a faster rate than the normal or traditional propagation methods. We produce clean material, disease-free, and at a higher number than traditional methods. The actual process happens in 4 different stages, where we choose the parent material that we want to start with, in that the material has to be typical of this variety that we're working with. We would clean up that material before we bring it to the lab, and we have to go through different sterilization procedures to produce the material. This material is produced on specially developed media types. The media I'm talking about is chemicals we put together specific for the plant material that we're dealing with. The stages are 1, what we term initiation. That is where we take the plant part and put it on the growth medium, and we store it on the control environment. The second stage we go to is the multiplication stage, where this initial plant material grows into a small plant, and we would divide it into smaller pieces, which we term subculturing. We will continue this subculturing activity for about 8 to 10 times to bulk up the material that we are producing. Following that, we would root the plant material to produce a plant with roots and stems. The final stage happens in the greenhouse, where we transfer the material from the lab to the greenhouse. That is, transferring them from the growth medium to soil-based medium. There, they are acclimatized to be able to adapt to the outside environment. Because, as I said, what happens in here is under controlled environment. Yeah. So when they go out to the greenhouse, they are preparing themselves to be transferred to the field for field operations. The material we take out from here and take it to the greenhouse, between 75 to 80% success we get.